Can term loans help my business get going faster? The short answer is no. If you're looking to get your business going, debt is very, very hard to find, very hard to get, unless you're going to be leveraging your home or some other assets that you have. The better decision would be, if you think you need capital for your business and you need to get it going, that you could figure out what grant programs are available in the marketplace for you. These are government programs or subsidies that are available to give your business the money that it needs so that it can get going. Many businesses, before they start, don't figure out how they're going to fund themselves. Usually an entrepreneur will say, I have an idea, then they'll get going, and then they'll try to figure out all the cash flow problems afterwards, or they'll try to solve their cash flow problems afterwards. And it's not related to startup businesses. Many existing businesses don't know how they're going to fund themselves year to year, month to month. They just sort of say, well, we'll just continue to sell more products or offer more services or get more customers. But rarely with small or medium-sized businesses is there actually a conversation about how are we going to fund ourselves. But the answer to, can term loans help my business get going faster? The answer is no, but customers and sales are how you get going. So the most important part of a business is not how much money it can borrow, but rather how many products or services are generating revenue from real customers out in the marketplace. Term loans, however, can be used to facilitate your growth. So for example, let's say you've got a bunch of orders outstanding that you've delivered on and you're just waiting for customers to pay you. Well, maybe then a bank could give you some financing to help you float your cash flow while you're waiting for those receivables to come on. Or maybe you need to buy a piece of equipment that will help you produce more of the product that it is you produce, in which case a term loan might make sense for you to consider so that you can acquire that piece of equipment to ultimately do more. So applying for credit with a bank is a good way to start, a business credit card as an example. But what many businesses fail to think about, or maybe have just never been told or have never thought about, is that banks don't just have blank checks waiting around to give it out to every business that they meet. They need to understand the specific reason your business needs money, and then they'll try to find a program or a product within their portfolio that can match it. So for example, if you need working capital, then you're applying for a working capital loan. If you need to buy a piece of equipment, then you're applying for an equipment loan. If you need to take out a partner who is purchasing, who you're going to purchase the shares from them, you would then need a term loan. But you can't just walk into the bank, say, give me money, our business is really great, when can we get the check? You really have to do a great job at articulating to them, what do you need the money for? How do you intend on using it? More importantly, how do you intend on paying it back? And so term loans cannot get your business going faster, but once you get going, then term loans can be a good way to help your business grow. If you'd like to see what that might look like for your business, I'd encourage you to visit emilynow.ca and see what might be involved.